Yeah, she's mad now. The actor.
Okay, they did it again and I missed it. I have to put the camera off. Let's see if they do it again. I've done it about 5 times now. Why did I miss that one? Darn it. There we go. Oh, there we go again. There we go. Look at it. Did you see that? Oh, look at him. It's right there checking her out. Now she's going after them.
The other bird flies right here. Not afraid of us at all.
No.
Maybe the birds can't see very well. They haven't seen my face yet.
There it goes.
Look at.
Oh, it did it again. Why are they doing that to her?
I'm telling you, and you're not listening.
Look at there she goes. Let's see if they do it again. I'm going to send this to Brianna. Brianna, why are they doing this to Fan? Oh, wow. They're watching over her.
I'm watching her, not watching over her.
Zooming it.
There we go.
Oh, they did it again.
Look at them.
Look at them. They're doing it. Wow. They definitely don't like her. Here they come more. Let's see the movie The Birds. Now I believe it. Oh, I don't think I've seen anything. It doesn't cost us anything to do this. Let's see that. Ooh.
Too far away.
No, I'm zooming it. Fan, come over here, Fan. Fan!
Not funny.
Where did she go?
I have no idea.
Fan! Wow, that was weird. Oh wow, okay. You got the message. Oh, she's over there. Let me go see. Let's see what happens again. They're coming after you, Fan. They don't attack me now.